Hello friends, today we will solve Geeks for Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is delete alternate character. So now we open this question. So the question is delete alternate character. Given a string as an input, delete the character at odd indices of the string. So now we see first example. So the first example is s equals to geeks. So the given string is geeks. So the index 0 is even. So we will add in new string. So e is at index 1, which is odd. So we will not add in new string. So then second e is at 2 index, which is even, so we will add in new string. And then k is 3 index, so we will not add in new string because index is odd. So s is at index 4, so we will add in new string. So now we see second example. So the second example is given string geeks for geeks. So here we apply same method. We will not add in new string at 0 index in the given previous string. So now we will make a variable string type answer initialize with empty string. Now we iterate on entire given string. If the index will be odd, then we will not in. If the index will be even, then we will add in new string. So for traversing we use for loop int I equals to 0, I greater than less than s dot length I plus plus. Now we check the present index is even or odd. So for even, if I modulo 2 equal to 0, then we will add in new string. Answer equal to s dot char at I. Otherwise we will skip all the conditions. So now we use continue keyword. Continue. Now at the end we will return the answer string. So now compile and run. So the code is successfully compiled and run. Now we check all test cases. So submit this code. So all the test cases are successfully passed. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.